Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. Features include V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power tilt down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.